Sorry guys, I just finished my workout and thanks to this Substream machine over here, I was able to refuel my body just like that. But do you guys actually know anything about Substream? Now, before I go into what the concept is, let me take a step back and tell you a little bit more on how Substream came to be. The supplements industry is currently valued at $122 billion in the United States only, and that value is expected to raise to $278 billion by 2024. That is a rapid increase. And at the same time, we have the sports industry, which is very big in the United States. Just look at yourself and look around you. You probably have your favorite professional team. You probably even have your favorite college team. And if you turn on TV, you'll see analysis of sports teams everywhere. We try to predict the future outcome of a match. We try to predict the catch rate of a player. It's just everywhere. And at the same time, these industries are still not overlapped. That is a problem. But Substream is the answer. Substream will initially and primarily focus on the college and professional athlete. They both have busy schedules and they both have a lot of time constraints. But let's say the college athlete, for example. The college athlete is expected to perform both inside and outside of the classroom. And inside, getting good grades, and outside, going to practice, going to lift, doing cardio, going to meet, doing team meetings. Their schedule is packed. And sometimes that causes them for not having enough time to actually get some decent mealing, even if that's in the morning or at noon or in the evening. It doesn't matter. They have a lack of nutrition. And on top of that, because they have such time constraints, they often have a lack of sleep. And we all know a lack of sleep and a lack of nutrition causes injuries. That's a problem again. But again, Substream is the answer. Substream will be the 24/7 easy accessible supplement dispensing unit for both college and pro athletes, providing them with the right amount of nutrition on top of their diets with the least amount of effort. Substream will offer a wide variety of supplements going from protein, creatine, BCA, pre-workout, post-workout, intra-workout, the list goes on. And we will do this by working together with a list of supplement brands. Just pick your sub, place your cup, and off you go. Substream. Streamlining your performance. Are you interested to learn more? Just be sure to follow my journey with the Hatch by just following the hashtag HatchLangOliver.